How we doing, guys? So another day, another Black Widow exhaust review. This one is the 300 millimeter chrome oval with the carbon tip. This one's £175. I've had this one again. If you don't believe me, go to my Instagram. I've had a lot of these on a lot of my old bikes, but the one I had was the black one. But yeah, as normal, let's get it on the bike. Let's see what it sounds like with the baffle in and with the baffle out. And yeah, let's see what it's like. This one actually looks really good on. Let's see what it sounds like with the baffle in. And obviously how it's supposed to sound with the baffle out.